Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can adjust your phone volume even if your volume button is broken. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to adjust your phone volume without using the volume button, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on settings, scroll down until you find the sound and vibration option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see the volume options, so you can now adjust those volumes depending on what you like. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You have now adjusted your phone volume without using the volume button of your phone. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.